Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have an first impression unboxing kind of video for 3 new straps that I got from Helvetus. Helvetus.com is a premier store for aftermarket straps based in Lucerne, Switzerland. They have 86 distinct styles with 16 brand compatibilities. They sent me these straps free of charge. I just paid the duties, which was negligible, to show them for you. So what we have here are 3 of the same strap with 3 variations. You have the center line with the LuxLine. You have a curved FKM rubber strap. You have the same one with black hardware, and you have the white one with deployment clasp. So the idea is to show you all of these on my watches. Usually the easiest one to show is the Explorer, as it is perfect for the white. So let me put the strap on, and in the meantime, if you're not subscribed, this is an invitation to subscribe. Doesn't cost a lot, or doesn't cost at all, but does help me a lot. So if we look at the straps, you can see you have a very soft touch, very supple, very easy to move around, typical FKM. So how do you install the deployment? You basically just put the screw inside and screw it in. Till the screw is flush. Then you put the right size of the strap for you with a spring bar. So let's see here, and install the spring bar. Easier. So that's basically how it will look like, and then you take this end and you install it on the top end, of course. I know a lot of people will be telling me, oh, you scratch your watches, you should put tape on it. All my watches have scratches, and when I sell them, usually I sell them to dealers or shops, and they usually do a kind of service, and of course they do sort of cleaning of the watch. Don't know why that's not working, but yeah, that's how it's supposed to look like, and with the white on white. Yeah. Nice combination. But let's open the next ones, and then let's see what kind of combinations we can do with these watches. So I don't have a black watch per se now because I sold my Tissot, so I don't have a use for a black buckle. So if you want a black buckle, write me in the comment section, and if you're in Germany, I'll send it to you, because I'm not gonna use it. But yeah, you have the same material, basically. FKM rubber. This one feels a little bit more different. I have to say the white one feels much better than the black one. More supple and softer to the touch. You have 175 millimeters, 125 millimeters on one end, and 75 millimeters on the other end. So it does suit, let's say, the medium range of wrists. $99 per strap, and I think they have a bundle 20% discount, so check the discount codes that they have. So you have also here the white center line, the LuxLine they call it, and same material as this black one, different than this one. I actually prefer this one, but yeah. And yeah, you can see the difference here. It's basically only the center line. In the back you don't have any kind of text, which is a bit different. Then for instance you have your rubber bee, And I have to say it's very similar to the material of the rubber bee. As you can see it here, very similar, even for the touch. And this might be a little bit more supple, so as you can see, very similar, and it's almost 50% from the price, so, or more than 50%. I think I paid like $250 for that, and it's been years, yeah, I have to say. So yeah, let me then put these straps on the watches and show you how they will look on different watches that we have here today. One thing that makes these straps, I think, also very special is that Helvetus offers a lifetime warranty with each of these straps. So when you buy a strap, they have this easy return policy, no hassle, no questions asked, and something is wrong with your strap, and after multiple years, they even take it back and send you a new one. So I think that's an awesome kind of USP that Elvitos has, even on high quality straps like the rubber bee, for example, which I think, trying now Helvetus, this might be even on par or a little bit more, less in, let's say, quality than the rubber bee, but it's less than half the price. You can see, starting from the right side, I have here my Sternenhimmel from Philippe Gluck. Usually had it on the rubber bee, so just fits perfectly, and this is how it will look on my wrist. So I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, which is around 6.69 inches. So here we go. The side, I think it does match it quite well. I had it before on the rubber bee, and I really liked wearing it on the rubber bee all year round, because it goes with everything. You don't sweat in the summer, and in winter it looks really nice as well. So that's the black FKM with the curved end link universal fit, the white striped LuxLine black FKM rubber. Actually, I was thinking to put it first on the Explorer, and then I took a look at how it will look on this watch, and I thought that would be nice with the stripe and kind of the chronograph. Very sporty look. Also 100 meters water resistant watch, so I will be able to swim with this strap and watch. The other option would have been the Vario. I tried it on, also looked really nice, even though it doesn't have this curved end link like the Rolex watches. Last but not least, the Explorer 2 Polar Explorer, on the white strap. As you can see, white FKM with the deployment. I supplied myself with the deployment bottle. I do think this one is an old one, so you can upgrade with a milled one, which looks and feels much better. I have even one that I might change for this, but I like this look. That's like a vintage Rolex look, and as you can see, yeah. So I think that gets us to the end of the video. I'll leave links to all these straps and Helvita straps, the store as well, in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Thanks again, Helvetos, for sending me these 3 straps. And yeah, if you have any questions, any comments, leave them in the comment section. And as always, this is an invitation to like, subscribe, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye everybody.